Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, we're making mango chili chicken with Tex Mex rice. You all are going to love this because it's perfect to make for a special occasion or if you're feeling fancy. This one is super easy to put together and it's full with so much flavor, you're gonna have your guests asking for more. So to make this recipe, as usual, it's going to be very easy. We're gonna start with our chicken breast, and I'm seasoning that with citrus herb seasoning. That's the only seasoning we're using on this because it has enough spices mixed together to give you a beautiful tasting chicken. And of course you can use shrimp, tofu or pork to replace the chicken. You want to lightly season with some salt, and you're going to do the same for the next side. Now if you're on a low sodium diet, you'd want to omit the extra salt and just use the citrus seasoning only. Massage that well. You can marinate this overnight for a couple of hours or even grill it right away. Set that aside, let's make the salsa. We're going to finely dice all of our ingredients. So I'm dicing 1 tomato, and you guys can double or triple this recipe according to how much you're making. The link for my bench scraper will be in the description box if anyone is interested, and also I'll link this knife. It was very sharp and I really liked it. In goes that 1 jalapeno. You'll notice I removed the seeds from it so it's not as spicy. Now I'm going to go in with 2 pimento peppers. I must add some Trini flavor to this, and the pimento peppers added a really nice touch of flavor. Finely chopped red onion goes in. If you don't have red, you can use a regular onion. And 1 whole half-ripe mango. You want to look for mango that's very meaty so you get some more pieces or more dices. So I wanted about 2 to 3 cups in total. Salt your water. When it comes up to a boil, add in your mango, and you're going to cook the mango for about 5 minutes. You want it to become tender. And I suggest cooking the mango because it does make a difference with the outcome of the salsa. Drain properly and then add it to your salsa. Now to this we're adding some chopped cilantro and salt to taste. You can also add some black pepper if you like, but I omitted that. Next, a very important ingredient, this sweet chili sauce. If you're watching the sugar content, you can omit it, but I think you shouldn't because this does make this salsa taste really amazing. Give that a mix and set it aside. If you guys wanted to add a habanero pepper or scotch bonnet pepper to the salsa, of course you can. Now let me show you how I make the rice really quick. So to my pan I have some avocado oil and I'm adding in my cooked rice. In goes all-purpose seasoning, and you want to use the exact ones I used to get that flavor. In goes Tex Mex seasoning, some pimento flakes or some chili flakes, and we're going to give that a mix. We're going to cook this rice for about 2 minutes in total. It's not going to take very long. It's a quick, easy, flavorful rice. Now I wanted some more color, so I'm adding in some annatto or roucou powder, and I'm going to mix that in. You guys can get this at the Caribbean Flavors warehouse. If you call them, they have it selling in bulk. So I always get mine in bulk now. So give that a mix. You see that beautiful color. Add in some chopped cilantro. Mix that in, and then your rice is ready. You can taste it and adjust your salt accordingly. But remember, the all-purpose seasoning does contain salt. Simple and yet delicious. So I'm going to set that rice aside. Now it's time to grill our chicken. So I'm using my big green egg. If you don't have one of these, you can use a regular grill. You can use an electric, you can use a charcoal, or you can use a grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can use your frying pan. We're going to be cooking these until they reach an internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. They're charred on both sides and they feel firm to the touch. You want to make sure that they're cooked properly. And once they're finished cooking, it's time to assemble everything. If you guys live in Trinidad and you know where you can get a big green egg to buy, please comment down below and I'll pin it so others can know where they can get it, since I've been receiving a lot of requests for it from Trinidad. How beautiful does that look? You guys can also import it, but it's very heavy. You may have to pay a lot to clear it. So once the chicken is finished, it's time to assemble. So I'm placing a portion of rice on my plate. And this is how it's served when you go to Chili's, because this is a Chili's recipe I'm recreating. Add your chicken and your salsa. This salsa was so amazing, and you have to cook the mango, guys. Do not skip cooking it. I grilled some asparagus really quickly, just with some olive oil, salt, grill it till tender. Served it with some avocado on the side, and it is so amazing. I want you guys to try this. If you do, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Do remember to continue to stay safe. Tag me on Instagram so I can repost your pictures. Have a wonderful one, guys. Bye bye.